Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
हेच येता शेत आहा ते माझ्या पायची तर रोवन तो मेलो इतली वर्सां मी रोयता आनी देरेफेंड येता आनी आपूण हेरी जाता असले आमकां सांगूप ना कांय ना आमकां एक नोटीस तरी धाडूंक जाय आसलेली ही आमी हे रोयता वो कितें करता म्हणून आमकां कांयच सांगप ना म्हणून आमकां रेस्पेक्टूच ना.
कितले फार्मर्स आहा टोटल?
8 आहा.
आमकां खबर नासतना पण केला. आतां लॉकडावन हा आमी भायर सरना आमी भितरच आसता. तर
तुमकां पयशे बी कितें दिलो आहा?
आमकां कांय दिवंक ना तेणें. आमी पयशे बोललेले ते घेवपाक शेत गेल्ला आमी ते
कोण ऑफिशियल येवन कोण मेळोंक ना कोण कांय सांगोंक ना
आनी डायरेक्ट घेवन अशें
डायरेक्ट घेवन पुरयलो हे 2005 आमकां तेणी लँड पुरयता म्हणून सांगलेलें. सो त्या उपरांत आमी ताका एप्लिकेशन केलें आमकां लँड पुरोवंक नाका तुजे पयशे नाका कांय नाका. 2007 तेणी आमकां सांगलें तुमचें लँड पुरोयना तुमचें लँड तुमचे कडेन आसतलें म्हणून. आनी आतां कोविड-19 हे पळय पुरोवपाक येयल्या.
We have our local farmers who have come here where their land, in spite of plowing today, they are all upset. They are all upset over there. So you can even have, yeah, he's also here. So you can have, there are around 4-5 farmers of the land who have come over here to fight now. Enough is enough now. Amka kityak podla attitude should die out now. Amka podla attitude should come out now because in this COVID-19 section 144 is told for us to stay at home. For what? So that they can do whatever they want. They have put in a notice of 2005 and people have got this notice in 2007 that the land is theirs. It's a shame on the present government over here and the agriculture minister and the present MLA and the Sarpanch who's not even come down till now to talk to us.
They are saying that the land has been acquired. Okay? Now land acquired means what? Land acquired means you have to follow the entire sequence of events right from 4 to 6, section 4 to 16 of the old 1894 Land Acquisition Act. Okay? Not done. Section 12 notice is not there. Payment notice is not there. Possession certificate not taken. We as ordinary citizens, farmers whose property this is, don't we have the legal right to use reasonable force to ask somebody, show me the documents and then enter the property?
Well, everyone, this is for you all to see how the police people will take you. They don't care for the freaking farmers. They don't care for the people. They don't care for anyone. Proudly working for the MLA. It's a shame today. I feel so disappointed. So I was questioning that the process is not. What do you want?
ताळगांव पंचायतीचो सरपंच म्हणटा सगळें कायदेशीर चल्लां. ते शेताचे सुवातेर खंय सगळ्या सोयींचे नवे पंचायत घर येता जाल्यार कितें वायट?
हे लँड फिलिंगाचें परमिशन घेतलेलें आसा. लँड फिलिंगाचें परमिशन फ्रॉम correct authority we have taken. Letter of Comunidad to acquire that land. And this land belongs to the Comunidad. आणि हांव रिक्वेस्ट करता कोमुनिदादीची पळय शेतां आहा ती सगळीं हांकां हावस करची. हेज्याच फाटल्यान कित्याक लागता? सगळीं हावस करूंक लाया आनी वी आर देयर टू सपोर्ट. वी विल बी सप्लायींग एवरीथींग वॉट द फार्मर्स वॉन्ट and we are doing it. Said we are broad in mind what we want in Talegaon. This is people's demand. आयज लोक कितें म्हणटा पंचायत घर येयल्यार आमकां बरें. आय एम हॅविंग पंचायत घर विथ अंडर वन रूफ ऑल दीज एम्युनिटीज. पोस्ट ऑफीस आयज तुका फाल्यां थिंगासर हेल्थ सेंटर आसतलो फाल्यां इलेक्ट्रिसिटी आसतले. सो यू डोंट नीड टू गो स्काउट अराउंड इन डिफरंट प्लेसीस. सो इट विल बी अंडर वन रूफ. सो वॉट इज रॉंग?
प्रुडंटा खातीर चेतन कवस.